Yesterday we were discussing about test of divisibility of numbers. So just I am giving a review. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the unit place or the ones place is even. Divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 if the unit place is 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 10 if the unit place is 0. So a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Now we are going to learn divisibility by 4. A number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by the last two digits, that is the ones and the tens place, is divisible by 4. Ones and the tens place is divisible by 4. Here 548, ones and tens place is 48. So 48 divided by 4, we will get 12. So 48 is exactly divisible by 4. Ones and tens place is exactly divisible by 4. So 548 is divisible by 4. Next example, 17,812. Ones and tens place is 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So ones and the tens place is exactly divisible by 4. Therefore, 17,812 is divisible by 4. Now test of divisibility of 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last three digits, that is the ones, tens and the hundred place, is divisible by 8. One example, 34,816. Ones, tens and hundreds place is 816. So when you divide 816 divided by 8, you will get 102. So ones, tens and the hundreds place is exactly divisible by 8. That is why 34,816 is divisible by 8. Next number is 17,032. Last three digit is, that is ones, tens and hundreds place is 32. 32 divided by 8, you will get 4. Therefore, 17,032 is exactly divisible by 8 because its ones, tens and hundreds place, that is 32, is divisible by 8. Now the next one is test of divisibility of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Here 228. Ones place is 8, so it is divisible by 2. Ones place is even, so it is divisible by 2. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Here in this number 228, sum of the digit is divisible by 3, so it is divisible by 3 also. So 228 is divisible by 2 also, 3 also. That is why 228 is divisible by 6 also. So next number 1320. Ones place is 0. It is even, so it is divisible by 2. Now 3 plus 1, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 0, 6. 6 divided by 3, you will get 2. So it is divisible by 3 also. So 1320 is divisible by 2 also, 3 also. That is why it is divisible by 6 also. If a number is divisible by 6, that number must be divisible by 2 as well as 3. If a number is divisible by 6, then that number must be divisible by 2 and 3. Once again, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Next one is test of divisibility by 12. A number is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. You all know what is 3. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Here are some examples for you. 228. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So sum of the digit is 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Now last digit, ones and the tens place is 28. 28 is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 3 also, 4 also. That is why this number is divisible by 12. Now the another example, 3516. 16 ones and the tens place is 16. So 16 is divisible by 4. 4 fours are 16. So 3516 is divisible by 4. Now is it divisible by 3? 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 6, 15. So 15 divided by 3, we will get 5. So this number is divisible by 3 also. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 3. Last two digit is divisible by 4. So it is divisible by 4. So this number is divisible by 12. The next one is 15. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Okay, a number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. Example, 2865. So here in this number, ones place is 5. So it is divisible by 5. Now 2 plus 8, 10, plus 6, 16, plus 5, 21. So sum of the digit is 21. So 21 is divisible by 3, exactly divisible by 3. We will get 7. 21 divided by 3, you will get 7 without any remainder. So this one is divisible by 5 also, 3 also. So 2865 is divisible by 15. A number is divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 2, 3 and 5. One more example, 23,160. Unit place or the ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. Okay, so next 2 plus 3, 5, plus 1, 6, plus 6, 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. Okay, so sum of the digit is divisible by 3. That is why 23,160 is divisible by 3. Unit place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. So 23,160 is divisible by 3 also, 5 also. That is why it is divisible by 15 also. Okay, test of divisibility is very important, so you learn it very carefully.